Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to buy government property. First, understand that the government sells many types of assets, from homes and land to vehicles and office equipment. These sales are typically public, offering opportunities to acquire property at potentially good value. We'll cover where to find these listings and the steps involved in making a purchase. To find available government property, start with official online sources. Websites like GSA Auctions and USA. Gov are excellent starting points for a wide range of items. For real estate, check HUD, Gov for homes, and the IRS for seized properties. Many agencies also use specialized auction sites, so explore various platforms to find what you need. The purchase process usually involves auctions. You'll need to register, review the terms, and place your bid. For some properties, a sealed bid or direct sale might be an option. Always read the specific instructions for each listing. Be ready for payment requirements, which often include a deposit and full payment within a short time frame, like 48 to 72 hours. Before you bid, always do your homework. Inspect the property thoroughly and research its history. Remember, most government sales are as is, where is, meaning no warranties are provided. Factor in all potential costs, including closing fees, taxes, and any necessary repairs. Being well-informed will help you make a smart and successful purchase.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.